I think the level of urgency that you feel on the inside. Again, the people on the outside are procrastinating. They are trying to get the cheap ticket, and it's probably costing them not only money, but they're not acting on the things they need to act on because they just don't have that urgency. And so what I was surprised about is without attending the weekly trainings or the role plays, even outside of those two main things, when you're in the community and you're surrounded by that quality of person, you feel it. And it's crazy to think that virtually, and we're all in different places around the world, but that is something that surprised me was pressing that buy button and being on the inside and knowing that all these people are around me. I felt this immense urgency to get shit done. And
That's
yeah,
really important.
yeah.
What about any differences to the previous sales training or sales trainings that you were in? How does it compare? So we've gone from talking about the outside to the inside, UCM on the outside, UCM on the inside. What about UCM compared to a different type of sales training?
It's just another level. If I compare the previous sales training I was in versus this one, the best way I can describe it is the people on the inside are sort of like lost sheep, right? They're all looking for ways to succeed and they're just getting started and they just feel lost. When I joined UCM, it does feel like a bunch of lone wolves packing together and they're all on a mission. They're all that rocket ship mentality, right? And it just feels completely different. And I like the fact that there's so much exclusivity. Like it's a small group, and everyone is very interactive in it. They are all that mission-driven type of person.
How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.